Hey everybody, Jerry Paul here from Nurse Chevrolet Cadillac. Today we're with the 2021 Chevrolet Equinox, and we're going to be talking about lane change alert and lane keep assist. These is an amazing feature, and if it's equipped on the Chevrolet, it'll work across the line the same way. So let's get in and I'll show you how it all comes together. All right, you'll see right here in the Driver Information Center, there's a little car. It looks like it's in a lane. That tells you that you have your lane keep assist, but it's not active just yet because we have to be over 60 kilometers an hour for it to be activated, and that'll turn green when we hit 60. All right, folks, I'm on the highway right now, and I'm at about 100 kilometers an hour, and as you can see, the green light is on. I've got traffic all over the place here, and I'm gonna go towards that, look at that, I'm back in the middle of the lane. Did you see that? That's amazing. Now, if that situation repeats itself, then you're going to activate the lane keep or the lane change alert. So what that does is it's going to give you a buzz on one cheek or the other, depending on which way you're drifting, and let you know that, hey, maybe you need to pay a little more attention. When it's the lane keep assist, it's a gentle nudge back into the middle of the lane. So with a simple little touch of the wheel, you're in control all the time. Don't worry about that. Now this is an amazing feature because sometimes, especially in Canada, we get snow-swept roads. I'm not saying snow-covered roads, but snow-swept where you only maybe a little bit of the lines are showing. The vehicle will pick those lines up and keep you in the middle. All right, so that was lane keep assist and lane change alert. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to experience it for yourself, you really do need to drive it. Come on down and see me. I'm Jerry Paul at Nurse Chevrolet.